If you've ever tried to delete an app on your iPhone and found it wouldn't budge, you're not alone. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of iPhone apps that can't be deleted. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about some common reasons why you might not be able to delete an app. Some apps can be restricted due to settings or parental controls. Other times, systems app like phone or mail can't be deleted. Now, let's start troubleshooting. Grab your iPhone and let's check your settings. Open the Settings app. It's that familiar gear icon on your home screen. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. This feature allows you to manage how apps can be used on your device. Tap on Content and Privacy Settings or Restrictions. If it's enabled, you'll need to enter your screen time passcode. Tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases. Make sure deleting apps is set to Allow. If it's not, select to enable deletion. Once you've checked those settings, it's always a good idea to restart your iPhone. This can help clear any temporary glitches. Now, give it another shot. Find the app you want to delete, press and hold it until options appear and tap on Remove App. You should now be able to delete it, and there you have it. If you still can't delete an app, it might be a system app or you may need to reset your iPhone setting.